Hello everyone. Every piece of information I'm going to share in this video has been verified by the mechanics working in the shop where I am right now. So don't worry, we're going to fix this issue. When a Ford shows the message, pre-collision assist not available, sensor blocked, the first thing most people think is, the safety system is broken and now it won't brake by itself. But calm down. This warning doesn't mean the car is damaged. It means the system can't see clearly, and when it can't see, it prefers to shut itself off rather than make a mistake. Basically, the Ford is saying, I'd rather not act blindly. And here's the most important part. In most cases, nothing is actually broken. Something is simply blocking the sensor. The pre-collision system relies on a front radar, and on many models, a camera as well. If that area gets dirty with mud, dust, bugs, water, snow, or even ice, the system automatically shuts down. That's why this message shows up so often after rain, snow, or a long road trip. That explains why so many mechanics here at the shop say the problem was fixed just by cleaning the front grille and the windshield. Sometimes it doesn't even look dirty to the naked eye, but a thin layer of grime or moisture is enough for the radar to say, I can't see like this. It's like driving with foggy glasses. You technically see, but you don't trust it. Now, if you've already cleaned everything and the message is still there, the next logical step is to think about moisture and weather conditions. Many Fords show this warning intermittently. It appears during rain, fog, or extreme cold, and then disappears on its own after driving for a few minutes. In those cases, the system goes back to normal once the sensor dries out or can read the environment properly again. But if the message doesn't go away after cleaning and driving for a while, then we move to the next level, sensor connections and wiring. In several real cases at this shop, the issue was a loose connector, a rubbed wire, or even a slightly bent radar bracket. This often happens after a minor bump, hitting a curb, or previous work done on the front bumper. And speaking of impacts, here's something important that comes up a lot in the forums. It doesn't take a major crash. A small impact that doesn't break anything visibly can slightly move the radar. That tiny misalignment is enough for the system to think the sensor is blocked or reading incorrectly, so it shuts itself off. In those situations, the fix is usually recalibrating the radar or camera at the shop, not replacing parts. If all of that checks out, clean sensor, no impacts, good wiring, then we enter the software side of things. Some Ford vehicles have needed assistance module updates because the system was too sensitive or poorly calibrated from the factory. Many people got rid of the warning simply with a reprogramming, without touching a single bolt.